Viewers and subscribers, family subs, welcome back to another update. Welcome back to the development of St. Thomas. I know it continue. Welcome back to my channel. Hope you all doing great. Hope you all doing well. So know the do. So just do the do. Like, comment and share, and if you're new, I will love you to subscribe to my channel. When you do so, just turn on that notification bell if it's on all, so that when you drop a video, you're the first one to be notified. Ads are placed upon the video, so please viewers, just watch them out for me now. Manners and thanks are doing. So today we are in Cedar Valley. To my viewers and subscribers who are new to my channel, I can just give you a little jog your back your memory a little bit now, so you understand what this wall or this place is all about. About 3 years ago, you have a landslide right here. Right where you see the road is, where you see we stand up, a landslide. So this road was closed off to the public for a period of time. Not even walk foot. You understand me as a viewers? So you know what I talk about. No bike, no car, no truck, no nothing. You understand? Couldn't enter on this road there, in Cedar Valley. If you find Cedar Valley viewers, whoever don't know Cedar Valley, I know where Cedar Valley is. If you're heading from town and you come Marant Bay, you come Seaford, come Trinityville and continue and come straight up, you find Cedar Valley. If you're coming from Yellow Side, you can enter from Yellow Side also. You go Ramble, you go Artis, and you come up Richmond and you come to Cedar Valley. I guess you can enter from St. Andrew side too. When you go Papina and you enter into Ugly's Gap. And you can enter and come right over into Cedar Valley. You understand? We underneath the Blue Mountain region side. Okay, viewers? Hope that makes sense what I just say. Anyway, back to what we are telling about now. So years now, as we say, the lack of from motorists for about 2-3 years. Then goes you have while them work on this wall here, viewers, that you look on. This wall here, while working on this wall, you have a tropical storm that pass through and bring down a next landslide again. Coming from up there, so viewers. You understand? Coming from up there, so. So that was the second landslide I hit this place in a short period of time. You understand? So the road still could never work. It still could never work on because they have to finish the wall before them could have any work to put pandy to deal with the road for us. I couldn't see the wall, viewers. Give me a minute, I couldn't see the wall, I couldn't see where the wall are coming from. To my new subscribers who new, look at this wall. You understand? And where you see it is not there coming from, it's coming from far more under earth. Down way down under earth, viewers. So this wall is a massive wall. You understand me as a viewers and subscribers? And you find this wall if you left Cedar Valley Square coming down bottom top village gate, between top and bottom village gate in Cedar Valley, you find this wall. So this wall was the wall that holding up this road. So what about they have to finish the wall first before them can deal with the road. So while finish the wall and backfill the road with mall, etc., dump it, coming up. I remember Asphalt and Asphalt do this work, you know. You understand? Thumbs up to them, thumbs up to the whole team. You understand? As you can see, work still continue upon it. It's still not finished as it. Okay, but we just a jack back on the mind to my new subscriber and whosoever never did know about this road. So this road have a lot of history about it. To bring it where you see it is now, it not just come overnight, so viewers. May I tell you that. A lot of work put into this to bring this where you see it now. Not joking, a serious thing, this viewers. So we say give thanks and praise, man. May I tell you that, give thanks and praise. Because when the elderly people, when like say them I go, you couldn't enter Cedar Valley Square from here so one time, you know. If you go enter the square coming from Trinityville side or them side, you'd have to go round village in order to enter Cedar Valley if you go by the police station or whatever. You understand? So now viewers, as you can see bike man upon it. Motorists are use it, as you can see there's a lot of big wheel. It's still not finished as yet, guys. It's down here, so it still needs some the top part I have to put on. But where it coming from, you could almost say, I eat that. But as we said, it not finish as it. See them still come with more wall on top there. Yeah? See it? Viewers, Remember, you know, asphalt the road right now, and I asphalt the road right now, you know. So we are going to catch up on the machine, we're going to see what going on. But we just jog on the mind back and we're going to see what really going on, to have a full understanding. Okay, viewers? So let's go and catch up on the machine now, viewers. As you can see, again, them start to asphalt this road from yesterday. From yesterday, them start to asphalt this road. We never there here yesterday. So this is a day 2. As them try to complete it so that motorists can have it when we are going and come. You understand? Because it's been locked off from them for a period of time now. It locked off from them and them couldn't get to use it. You understand? So right across St. Thomas, viewers, as the holiday coming up, and you know, the work of the contractor, them are try to get through with a lot of work, what them can get through. We don't say them are yes it, them not yes it. But them just put a little more pep in their step. You get what I say, viewers? Yes. So this road soon officially open to the public as soon as them finish, as we say, asphalt it now. So we are catch up on the machine, okay, viewers? Yeah. So stick and stay now. Hope you all enjoy the video. Bless up on yourself. You don't know what they do, so just do what they do. So as you see, viewers, there's a lot more work still left to complete before this road officially open to the public, as you see. So you see them can't really asphalt here as yet because there are some water problem. So you see them do it and stop right here, so as you can see. So as soon as them solve the water problem here, then they're going to finish it. You understand, viewers? So those are the things making it really, you would have said, officially open to the public, to motorists. You know, but as you can see, them I use it. So anyway, the machine, we say we are catch up on enough, viewers. Yeah, I'm another machine. I see that wall what I'm showing you, viewers. This machine here play a whole lot of big part in that wall I just showing. This machine, I tell you, man, it build that wall. Simple, done me done. I have nothing more besides build that wall. So all these work done from yesterday now, viewers. But we say with the Cedar Valley, Blue Mountain region side, up in the hills of St. Thomas. Yeah, man, I catch up on the machine, viewers. As you can hear it, so it's not that far, just right down there, side. So yes, my viewers and subscribers, you can see, finally we meet up on the asphalt team, you know, whiter than in team, as you can see. So you know, you got to stick and stay, you know. We say with the Cedar Valley, development of St. Thomas continues. So stick and stay, you know, viewers, because you know we have to go in with details and make us see what we need, what we know we need to see. Yeah. Up this side, from Mark Bay to Cedar Valley, as we observe, is only one layer. But everywhere else outside, from Mark Bay to Albion or anywhere, is 2 layers. I don't know why them only choose to put one up here. Why them only choose to put one up this side. Now up here says 1 layer, you know, viewers. Not getting more than one. Not getting more than 1 layer. From Mark Bay to Cedar Valley. So you involve Alcar and you involve cement and asphalt in it. The two company, the two contractor them that doing it. Only one layer come this side, not two. As you know, Alcar responds from Mount Bay to down at Georgie. And cement take it from Georgie to Cedar Valley. So we don't know if we're going to complete it today. As you can see on one side, the mother, we know that we're going to complete it today, but in order for you to see that, you got to stick and stay in the viewers. And let us see how far they might take it today. As you see, it's a day 2 up here, so but it's the first day for me. When you come all up in them countryside and them village side of yours, you know you have to be careful how you tip because there are a lot of low wire for them side. So more time working up these side, them side are kind of difficult, you know. But at least you see them get the work go through done and smooth and nice. And that's a good thing about it. We love that. That's a great man. Great white head. That's a great man. So my viewers and subscribers, as we can see, say, 4 truck, you see them on the ground, so 2 already complete, so I guess 2 left. So we don't know how far the 4 truck will take it, but if I continue watch the video, then you will see, because they're only supposed to go down at the, but join up back on the next piece of asphalt we already paved from sometime in the last year. You understand? So I just them I go join this span now. So it's not far from here, so because I don't have the village gate down I square there, so that's where them go join this piece of asphalt where them I go with. We'll join on the one where them down this already for how long. So let's stick and stay, you know. I'm going to see how far the 4 truck I take away. As I see on one side, them come with for so long. So I guess them carry one side, go straight down, and then them take the next side. And we see how far. Okay. Bless them. Yeah man, go ahead man. So this is a good look for Cedar Valley viewers and subscribers. Real good look for Cedar Valley. As I said, this road has been locked off for a long period of time. Locked off close for a long period of time. When I say condemn, no condemn. I shouldn't really say condemn. Just lock off from the public for a long period of time, over 2-3 years. So they have to drive round village gate, round village in order to reach to Cedar Valley Square. Just see one truck done and gone. So sooner or later, soon see the next truck come in. So this road now I'm gonna make it more easier for the motorists to have access to going to Cedar Valley, to the square. Even the walk foot, even the people who are living in the community also. Walk foot, ride, everything. So this is a really good look for Cedar Valley. Yes man, this is a real good look for Cedar Valley. I know we are going to give an official walk. For the work of them done for the day, so stick and stay now viewers. So viewers and subscribers, as I can see, the next side, them start the next side. Soon catch up with the machine. So I could just give a walk for me to see the 2 sides now, viewers and subscribers. So here is it, you know, motorists. Heading to Cedar Valley, coming from Cedar Valley, heading to Trinityville Seaford, going about your merry ways. This road soon officially open. Because 2 are left, I don't feel like them all can complete it today. Honestly, 2 are leave. I don't feel like them can finish it today. But anyway, stick and stay still. We still going to see if them all finish it. But as you can see now, viewers, like 2 sides, them do know. So take a look at it and remember, you know, Whitehead and in team, cement and asphalt, and them responsive. Father Greg, you know, the panel one today, so you don't know. The General Father Whitehead, and him response. You see me? See any of viewers? Cedar Valley Center Mass. See the viewers? curve and to move water because that's very important, We don't try to control the water, it don't make sense. Even fix the road or upgrade the road. Yes, my viewers and subscribers. So, Cedar Valley up and running now.